Today on the Roadhouse, I got a tire pressure sensor on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat TDI SEL that is not going out after I already had the tire fix. Let's get it started. Okay, today on the Roadhouse, we're gonna fix this tire pressure sensor light. Now, I had the tire fixed already, but the light did not go out. So this is a real easy fix, so let's get it started. This is on a 2014 Volkswagen Passat TDI SEL, but it's going to be the same on almost all these Volkswagens. First, you want to check your tire pressure. Check your tire pressure on each one of your tires. Make sure they're within the range that it says in your book, in your glove box. So it should be anywhere between 33 and 40 psi. Make sure that that's taken care of first. If not, you want to make sure that the tire's not leaking, or you want to make sure that your light is functioning. As you can tell, my light is still on. So you go over here to the glove box. All the instructions are right here, but right here is the button. Press it for 2 seconds. You hear that beep. Light is gone. That's how you fix your tire pressure sensor. This probably runs from a 2012 to 2020 Volkswagen Passat. Thank you for watching the little video today. Always subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her way wet.